It's funny how nobody warns you about this part of getting older. One day, you're just living your life, and suddenly, your body starts behaving like it's changed the rules overnight. You notice little things, not dramatic, not painful, just different. And you're sitting there thinking, wait. Why does it feel like my body updated itself without telling me? Let's talk about it. Because after 30, your body does not break down. It reorganizes. And your vaginal health is one of the first places that quietly reflects those changes. And no, this is not the usual drink water, reduce stress, eat vegetables talk. No, we are going into real overlooked everyday things nobody connects, but absolutely should. Let's get into it. Number 1, the invisible product buildup you don't think about. You know that feeling when you switch products and everything seems fine until it's not fine. Then after 30, your vaginal environment becomes more sensitive to accumulated exposure. Not just one product, but years of them stacking quietly. We are talking about things like body washes, wipes, scented liners, even laundry detergents. And the tricky part, you don't feel the damage immediately. It builds slowly like the background noise. You see everyday scented panty liners. They actually feel fresh, but they disrupt natural balance. Even feminine washes that promise clean freshness, but they strip protective oils. Fabric softeners also stay in underwear even after rinsing. You see wipes, this one I used just in case, and that confuses your natural pH. And even when you over clean, simply because you're trying to feel extra fresh. But suddenly, your body starts reacting differently than it used to. Not because it is aging badly, but because it is tired of constant chemical guessing games. Number 2, the tight fabric trap nobody takes seriously. Let's laugh a little here. Because you see fashion really be betraying us softly. And after 30, circulation and skin sensitivity actually change slightly, especially in delicate areas. But we keep wearing the same tight jeans, synthetic leggings, and snatch everything outfits like nothing is happening. And your body is like, excuse me, can I breathe? Allow your body to breathe, okay? Because you see that constant tight underwear that traps heat and moisture. Non-breathable leggings worn for hours after workouts, even sitting long hours in tight clothing without airflow breaks, or even synthetic fabrics that increase irritation without obvious rash, or we wearing gym clothes just for a quick errand. One thing you should know, what's happening underneath is not dramatic. It is subtle imbalance, because you see this combination, heat plus moisture plus friction. This equals to your natural flora getting a little confused, and confusion is where imbalance starts. Number 3, the hormonal whisper changes that aren't what you think. Nobody tells you this, but after 30, hormones don't just drop, they fluctuate in patterns that affect lubrication, sensitivity, and even scent. It's not menopause, no. It's not something scary, not at all. It's more like your body is adjusting its internal rhythm. And because it is subtle, most people miss it and blame everything else. So you may observe slight changes in natural lubrication during different weeks. You may also observe mild shifts in pH that make you feel different for no obvious reason. Or you may experience increased sensitivity to soaps you used for years without issues. There may be subtle dryness that comes and goes randomly. You may experience more noticeable reactions after intimacy or workouts. Just know this, don't panic. Your body is not failing you. It's literally recalibrating its internal ecosystem. Number 4, the over-cleaning cycle that backfires quietly. Let's be honest, this one is emotional, because most women don't over-clean for fun. They do it because they want to feel safe, fresh, and even confident. But here's a twist nobody explains. The more you try to sterilize the area, the more you disrupt the natural protective balance. And after 30, your body becomes less forgiving of that imbalance. Some women actually wash multiple times a day just to be sure. Some even use antibacterial soaps in sensitive areas. Oh, some women actually douche, thinking it will remove odor or discharge. Some will even scrub harder when they feel not fresh enough. Some will even assume natural discharge means something is wrong with them. No, no, no. Your vaginal environment is self-cleaning. Think of it like a smart system. It does not need constant interference. No, no, no. It needs stability. So when you keep resetting it too aggressively, it starts misfiring. Okay? Number 5, the hidden intimacy after effect nobody talks about. Let's keep this real and light. You see, after 30, your body responds differently after intimacy. Not because anything is wrong, but because recovery time and sensitivity shifts slightly. And most people don't adjust their habits afterwards. Instead, they do things like staying in sweaty or damp underwear too long after intimacy, or not urinating afterwards. Yes, this matters more than people think. Or they are using harsh wipes immediately after instead of dental care, or ignoring small irritation signs thinking they will go away, or not even allowing the area to breathe afterwards. This is not about fear, it's about awareness. This is because your body just needs a bit more gentle handling than before. Okay, next up, the underestimated hydration shift. Not the way you think. Oh, no, no, no. This is not just drink more water. This is about tissue hydration at a deeper level. You see, after 30, mucosal tissues become slightly more sensitive to dehydration patterns you don't even notice. So skipping water during busy days without realizing, excess caffeine without balancing fluids, or air-conditioned environment drying you internally over time, even not replenishing electrolytes after sweating, or thinking I'm fine because test isn't always obvious. Do you know the results? It is subtle dryness, discomfort, or imbalance that feels random but actually has a pattern. And number 7, the silent gut connection. Nobody connects fast enough. Here's a plot twist most people don't expect. You see, your vaginal balance, it is deeply connected to your gut environment, not in a complicated science way. No, 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 but more like a neighborhood system. So when one area shifts, the other will feel it. And you may experience things like frequent antibiotics that disturb internal flora balance, irregular bowel habits that affect overall microbial harmony, even low fiber patterns that reduce internal stability, or overuse of strong cleansing agents that affect both gut and vaginal flora indirectly, or you're even ignoring recurring malinfections instead of resetting the system gently. Do you know what? Your body is not separate systems. It's one connected ecosystem having conversations all day. So, how do you restore natural balance? Not by doing more. No, no, no. But by removing what's quietly disturbing the system. Think of it like this. Your body is not asking for perfection. It is asking for less interference and more consistency. So do this instead. Switch to gentle, unscented products. Let your body breathe more often. Reduce constant internal checking behaviors. Give your microbiome stability instead of constant resets. Listen to small changes instead of ignoring them until they grow. And most importantly, stop treating your body like it's becoming a problem after 30, because it's not breaking down. Instead, it's evolving its language. And if you've been sitting there thinking, wow, I never looked at it like this before, that's exactly the point. Because once you understand the why, you stop panicking and start cooperating with your body instead. If this video made you laugh, think, or quietly say, so that's what has been happening, then you are exactly my kind of health hero. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who still thinks body changes after 30 are just bad luck. No, 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 it's not bad luck. That's it from me today, health heroes. Thank you for watching this little nurse to friend chat moment. Thanks for staying with me till the end, where real nursing meets real life. See you in the next video.